your staff, we're very, very respectful about it. But I do remember Sham a couple of times saying, well, that doesn't make any sense. Why would you do it that way? And his honesty, it was very, very, I don't, it lightened the burden off our chest to say, well, why do we do it? That is stupid, Sham. Thanks. we can, we can definitely find a different way to do it. And I think he knew Jason and I well enough to be able to call us out and know that that's how we interpersonally would communicate to ourselves and to each other. So he was able to pick up on our styles and really cut to what we were looking at and why we were looking at it. And I think that was the biggest help for change management, was to call us out on why are you doing something so backwards.
Yeah, I often, I was working with another customer and we were talking about what they would do different. And they were a small, city, small agency. And they said, we, we opened up basically the software and we said, okay, here's what we want to do. Instead of telling, you guys, here's, letting FourthSquare say, here's how you should do it. Um, and that's what you're paying us to do, right? Is to use, allow our expertise to guide you guys. But on the flip side, we've got to build enough trust, in you that you allow us to give you that pushback and allow us to challenge you. Because if you didn't trust our expertise, you probably wouldn't have accepted him saying, "Well, that's a stupid way to do it." So it's a two-way street, and I think at the end of the day, it's building that relationship and building that trust between you and the consultant who's working on the project. So, and we do try and put together, put forth and our consultants that have a lot of experience, so we can build that trust.